All right guys, today we're out here at M1 Concours in Pontiac, Michigan, and we're gonna be exploring the Honda LogR app. Checking out the data logging function of this car as we sync it with the application on your phone. You can link all that data to a video. You can use it out on track to do lap timing. It's pretty cool stuff. I have the LogR 2.0 app on my phone. That's the latest version, so if you have a Civic Type R and you want to do this, be sure you get that latest version. Let's hop inside. We'll take you through some of the functionality and we'll do a few laps here at M1 Concours.
You go to settings and then smartphone app login information.
Okay, cool.
Cool.
And then you just type that into the app.
Yeah, and then it basically... And
it'll sync.
It syncs.
Okay,
and
cool.
then the trick is, again, when you're done, we'll help you do this, but we can put everything in the cloud and then that will sync with your video.
Okay,
cool.
Nice.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to video here and we're gonna go to synchronized video. So you can see people have uploaded their previous laps, but you'll have your own laps, and we're just gonna go here. And you have some screens here. You can change whatever you'd like. I usually just leave it on that one.
Cool.
Hit that. It's M1. So you can actually start it right now.
Sure.
And it will not start your lap time until you cross that little hut right there.
Okay. Cool.
And then start the video once you start going as well.
Got it.
Cool.
Great. Thank you.
Man, have
Perfect.
fun, dude.
Yes. All right, so as you guys just saw, that is how to set up the LogR app and connect it to the Civic Type R. It's something I played with a few days ago at Gingerman Raceway, but I didn't have the LogR 2.0 app. This has a lot more functionality built in, and we're also gonna be experimenting with kind of uploading this lap info to the cloud and syncing it with this video. So we'll show you guys all that a little bit after the fact once it gets all set up, but it's a pretty cool application. You can use this for autocross. You can do point A to B. You can do a circuit type situations, which is what we have, just a start finish line. You can track like your commute to work, A to B, track fuel efficiency, smoothness.
Hey, if everyone can hear me, why don't you give me a thumbs up?
But yeah, pretty exciting to have this functionality built into the Type R. So keep an eye on the friction circles here with each respective tire as it gains and loses traction. You can see a lap time down here at the bottom left of the screen in +R mode, and that'll add laps as we go through our session. That was a good lap. It's always fun to follow a racing driver. All right, so you can see that lap recorded down there, 1:18.98. So awesome to have that integrated with the car into the dash. This gauge cluster is just beautiful. Something out of a race car. And then we can sync that later with our iPhone video. That takes about 10-15 minutes to sync all that footage. But we'll show you guys that here in a minute. But that was pretty fun. So we will Stop this. Stop data log. That was a good one.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, 118. That's a really good one.
Yeah. Hey, that was fun. Thank you.
Yeah, that's impressive. Cool. So yeah, we'll go here. Did you stop? You hit stop? Yeah, perfect.
Yep.
And then basically that one is the one you want to upload to the cloud. And again, once you go to watch these videos, it'll be linked with that data.
That's great. That's really cool. Sweet. So then now if I want to start syncing that video, I've got recorded video. This is the latest one here, right? Probably at the top.
Yeah.
And then
hit synchronize.
Hit synchronize.
So that's what you do.
Okay.
And then once it's synchronized, then you can watch it. Once it's in the cloud, you don't need to be near the car.
Gotcha.
So you can turn the car off and everything.
Cool.
Yeah.
So I could just leave this
It
rolling.
must be fun to be able to rip this thing.
It's so
and
fun.
It's not yours.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't have to worry about the tires as much.
Exactly. Sick, dude.
Yeah.
Awesome, brother.
Cool. Thanks again.